Ultrasounds are used more and more in veterinary surgeries. They are a very powerful tool in diagnoses, and one of the more fun things we do is diagnose pregnancies. 2 weeks after mating, all we would see is a black circle which represents the embryo. We'll move on to a high definition probe so we can see that a little bit better. There it is once again. That black circle is the placenta, and inside it, the white dot inside it, is the embryo. Let's start doing a few measurements just to see how large it is. The calipers from the ultrasound are being placed now, and the distances will be calculated on the right hand side of the screen. There we go. Here's the size of the placenta. It's 0.8 of a centimeter, 8 millimeters by 1.3 centimeters, and the fetus is only 3 millimeters in size at this stage. Now we'll follow this with a picture of the suddenly surprised mum, Mishka. The next cat we have is Tasha, and she's 4 weeks into pregnancy, and that's a fetus that you can see right on the screen there with the head pointing towards the right. And there's another fetus just below that, actually facing us, so you can see the feet are pointing towards us. And as we scan in and out, you'll see the feet fade out into the body and vice versa. On the right, there's another fetus and yet another one, so we have at least 4 babies in this one. Let's try to zoom into one and see if we can get one that kicks around a little bit. Here we go. Here's a very active little baby, head pointing towards the right. And you can see we're sort of, we're turning around, feet are pointing towards us now. And there we go. So that's a nice active baby there. Very healthy indeed. Still twisting around some more. Here we go. We're doing some baby aerobics there. You can see the umbilical cord on the on top coming down to the fetus, the head on the right. Wonderful shot. Towards the end of pregnancy, what we get a bit more is perhaps some more obvious heartbeats. So we try to zoom into the heartbeats to make sure that the babies are alive. There's one at the top there, you can see the ribs, and that's the chest, and the black part in the middle is actually the heart. And there's another one, so there's 2 of them side to side here. There's one here, and it's beating really, really well, very rapid beats. And we'll try to zoom into the other one just next to it. There you go, you can see the other one coming into view now, and it's beating away happily as well. Moving towards the back, you can see the ribs change into the abdomen, from the chest to the abdomen, and the black hole there is the bladder, so we've drunk lots and lots of fluids recently. So there you go, you can see the spine coming in and out of the view, and we'll follow on towards the tail, which is right there. Right, this is another kitten, and we're moving up from the chest into the head. And if you look really, really carefully, right in the middle of the screen, you'll be able to appreciate a face, or at least the head of the kitten. And if you look carefully as well, you'll notice that it's moving left and right, up and down. These kittens were born 2 days after this ultrasound was taken. They are domestic short hair kittens and will be entering a cat adoption center program when they're 6 weeks old, which would make it possibly middle of November.